Hey everyone, it's Scott from certmedia.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up Akismet anti-spam integration within Ninja Forms. I did a similar video on Contact Form 7, but today I want to show you how to do it with Ninja Forms. And the reason we're using Akismet as opposed to the captcha system is while captchas are probably more effective, they have two disadvantages. They're slower, they add a lot more JavaScript and about 90 kilobytes of CSS compressed, and they're a pain for user experience, especially when it wants you to select the images when it comes to RE captcha. So the two things you'll need to have Akismet anti-spam installed and set up with an API key, and you'll need Ninja Forms. Ninja Forms automatically comes with a contact form here called Contact Me, which is great. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on your form, and you're going to do either click here or hit the cog and then click Edit. It'll take you into this nice builder menu. What you're going to want to do is go to Emails and Actions. And then down here, you'll see a plus sign. Select the plus sign and do Akismet anti-spam. Now, this doesn't mean that you're done yet. What you need to do is map each one of these fields to the respective field in your form. You can only map the name, email address, the website URL if you ask for one, and a message. So coming over here, what you're going to do is you're going to select this little menu, and you can do field, which is name, email, you're going to do the email, and then message, do your message form. And then you'll click done, and you can click publish. And you know that these fields are correct is because they correspond to the fields that came in your form. If you added an additional form asking for the website URL, then it would also show up in those suggested. And that's all it really takes for you to go ahead and get Akismet anti-spam running. If you want to go ahead and run a test, you can just do test at test.com. Whoop. See, now it's yelling at me. Test.com and test, and then you click submit, and there was an error trying to send your message because Akismet flagged it for spam. There you go. If you have any questions about this, you can ask me in the comments section below. If you have a more detailed question about Ninja Forms, you can go ahead and go to the wordpress.org/Ninja Forms repository. I'll give a link to them. And if you have any questions or looking for someone to optimize your website, feel free to contact me directly. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.